So today's video is indeed special because it is literally heart of our nation, and I think everyone should know our heritage, our roots and arts. And so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshada and here I present my next video. And today's video is going to be really interesting. It's a kind of vlog and really informative, so I'll suggest you to guys keep watching. So by the title of this video you must have understand by now what is this video is going to be all about. And I know this is the same line which I have already repeated from one of my previous video, but still today's video is like really important and really close to my heart, or it's actually you can literally call it heart of our nation, heart of our country, because our country has rich heritage and we should know where what our roots are and where we belong and what heritage we have. So in today's video I'm going to talk about different traditional embroideries of different states of India. I know our India has very rich history when it comes to art or specific culture or any kind of heritage. So I think we should know what our roots are and how beautiful they are. So today's video is like literally heart of our country, heart of our nation. And there are so many states in India which has there and some kind of specific traditional embroidery which only belongs to that particular state of India, and it has like very rich history as well. Some of you people may know this, some might not. So I have pursued my graduation in textile and fashion designing, and I think during final year of my college there was one course which introduced us all, like our textile students, to this beautiful subject named traditional embroideries of India. I know it doesn't mean much to most of the people, but being an art student or being an art lover or whomsoever who appreciate art, it is very important to know the beauty of what our country has to offer. And I am the person who genuinely appreciate art, and there are so many other people as well might be in this video who are watching this right now. So I am going to, in today's video, like basically I'm going to share the portfolio, and I'm going to share all the work which I have done when I was in my college as an assignment, and I'm going to introduce you to all the beautiful traditional embroideries of India. Traditional embroidery has its modern application and its new forms, and some what we called it like contemporary designing, which is actually based on that traditional art. It still has covered a lot of market when it comes to designing in India. So without any further delay, I'm going to actually show you my portfolio, which includes traditional embroideries of India from different states, and I'm going to show you and also going to explain very little. I'm not going to make this very boring, but I'm going to it's going to be like really fun. So I'm going to explain little bit about it, like each and every embroidery. So let's start. So the very first one is Kasuti embroidery of Karnataka. This is made up of cotton threads and it's a one-way continuous process, and these are some of its traditional motifs which are naturally used. The second one is Kanta embroidery of West Bengal. It is known as one of the easiest traditional embroidery, and it's made up of cotton threads, and these are some of its traditional motifs. The third one is very famous Kashida embroidery of Kashmir. It's most difficult to craft because it's made up of fine silk threads and designs are also little intricate. The fourth one is Chamba Rumal of Himachal Pradesh. It's an auspicious piece of craft which is used for praying. This embroidery is made up of silk threads, and these are usually traditional motifs. The fifth one is Fulkari of Punjab, and it's made up of silk threads and usually presents on most of the Punjabi clothing. The sixth one is most used traditional embroidery of India, which is nothing but Chikankari of Lucknow. Chikankari of Lucknow is made up of cotton white threads on basically white cotton fabric, but nowadays present in multiple variations. 7th one is Kutch embroidery of Gujarat, and it is made up of cotton threads, and multiple other work like mirror work is also present in these embroideries. The 8th one is Manipuri embroidery of Manipur. It is made up of very thick cotton threads and they have very unique traditional motifs. The last one is nothing but Zardozi. Zardozi is one of the most expensive embroidery and is mostly made up of gold or silver. Forget to share it with all your friends and also kindly subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon, like really soon. So thank you and keep watching.